Alright class, today Cartman came up to me and said he wanted to share something with you all.
That's right, you guys. So if you all could just be quiet and listen, it'll be very nice.
Alright class, quiet down!
Alright, so this one is for my best friend, Cal.
What the fuck?
That's right. So, Cal, I know we bully each other a lot and, well, we just basically hate each other. But, you know, maybe the whole time I was just joking around because I actually kind of liked you.
Cartman, what the hell is this gay shit?
Hold on, Mr. Garrison, hold on. So, Cal, do you want to go out with me?
Cartman, I think you should go kill yourself.